This portable 4-foot RGB tube light set comes in a sturdy hard case that keeps the lights, stands, and accessories well protected and easy to transport between shoots or events. The updated handheld design with multiple control buttons on each tube makes it straightforward to fine-tune colors, brightness, and effects directly on the light when you are working quickly on set. A built-in 5,000 mAh battery delivers several hours of continuous use at full power and much longer at lower brightness, and the Type-C charging port works smoothly with common power banks and adapters. The included 2.4 GHz remotes offer long-range, reliable control even through obstacles, and you can manage individual tubes or keep a whole group perfectly synchronized from one controller. With a wide luminous surface and hundreds of creative lighting modes, these tubes can produce everything from subtle ambient glows to intense dynamic effects for video, stage, or party environments, though they do skip traditional warm white output. A sound reactive mode that follows music beats makes this kit especially appealing for DJs, dance floors, and live performances where you want lighting that feels energetic and immersive without a complicated setup.